Hi everyone, it's Sherri Bunye. I'm out finalizing the route for the upcoming Capture to Print Roadside Photography workshop, which is really exciting. Roadside photography is very much in my wheelhouse. This is how most of my projects have gotten started and have evolved over time, or by photographing things I found visually interesting on the side of the road. And you know that. I know that you know what roadside photography is, and even if it doesn't pop into your mind right away, it's all those times that you've been out, whether it's on a vacation, a road trip with your family, or if it's going back and forth to work or to school, where you see things off to the side that you go, wow, I think that would make a great photograph. That's what we're going to do in this workshop. We're going to go along the roadway, we are going to stop at things that are visually interesting, and we're going to make great photographs of them. And what will those things be? Well, they could be abandoned buildings or places, landscapes, of course landscapes, people. It can be hand-painted signs. It could be just anything that we see, again, that we think is interesting. Also those little brown signs that we see on the side of the road, the Florida heritage sites. We're going to stop at one. Here, I'm at the sugar mill right now. This is a wonderful spot, probably a spot that you've gone by and gone, I need to go back there at some point and photograph it. Well, we're going to stop here. So it's super cool and super interesting, and I think it will make some amazing pictures for some of you. So I hope you'll join. The class is in two parts. February 8th, we're going to go on our road tripping journey and take some roadside photography, and then we're going to get back together on Saturday, February 22nd. We're going to share our masterpieces with each other, and then we're going to go over to the Creole studio, the digital print lab. That is where we're going to see those pictures take form, as we are going to print, depending on how many students sign up, somewhere between 1 or 3. I'm going to show you how to look at color space, your paper profile, what's out of gamut. Once you learn these things and you do your prints, you're welcome to come back to the digital print lab when it is open. All you have to do is bring your paper. Creole splits the bill on the printer use and the ink. That's a great deal. That's a wonderful deal. So if nothing else, make sure you do that. If you have any questions, look at the website for more information. You can call the school. If they're specific, you can contact me at sbunny@creolday.org. It's also available on the website on the faculty page. I look forward to seeing you on the road or on campus. Bye.